Guys, it actually smells really good, and I'm really excited right now. I really want to eat it right away.
Bon appetit! I put ponzu sauce in the bowl here. This is bomb. Literally so freaking good. All right, I finished like half of it. I'm pretty full. I'm really hot.
So today I'm actually going to downtown again, and I'm meeting. I'm going to downtown, and I'm meeting my friend at Joy's Collingwood, and she's picking me up at the station. Kind of wanted to wear a hat today, but I don't know. I just like put my hair up like this. 아니야. Yeah, it's good. So yeah, we're heading down to downtown, and we're gonna go eat oysters. So see you later. I'll see you inside. See ya. Can't really see it. Hi. I have a reservation under Jenna. Yeah, we're kind of late. Sorry.
No worries. Are you guys looking to do happy hour?
Yes, please.
Yeah, we start with an hour and a half dining period, so you just have to table until about 4:45 today.
That's perfect. Thank you. So we're at Joe Forte. Is it Joe Forte? Yeah. This is the happy hour menu. We're gonna have the oysters.
Any guys in your life?
We're thinking of getting the dozen of oysters. I'm just filming right now with my iPhone 6, and the quality is like not too bad. It's like the old OG quality. I like it. Ooh, these are the oysters. They're quite big, actually. Okay, this is pretty cute. Okay. 지금 굴털이야? 너무 맛있어. We'll have this one. So big. Yeah, these are so big. So good. 넌 초장 찍는 거 좋아해? 김치 너무 좋아해. 굴김치. 아, 굴김치. Thank you. I love it. I love it when they do that. We ordered another batch of 20s. It's like so pretty here. Stussy! Whippy! I'm gonna try these on because it says Vancouver. Vancouver. I know you want these too. Peace. I mean, I think I kind of like the long sleeve better. Hello. Hi. Hello.
Are they cute?
They cute. I want to get them, but they're like $120. So these slippers are like so cute. I really like this one. Vancouver. Yeah. Are you getting that? I'm getting this. Yay! It's like our friendship t-shirt. So cute. Aww. This is Gastown, guys. Gastown is very beautiful, like this. This place, Gastown, is the most aesthetically pleasing place in Vancouver.
Which is kind of sad.
Yeah,
At the same time.
which is sad. They have a little clock tower over there. The smoke comes out of it every 15 minutes or so. A lot of tourists takes pictures there.
Again, kind of sad.
Kind of sad that that's like the tour. Oh, it's going on right now.
Ooh.
We can't miss it. It's pretty cute.
See all that people lined up.
See all the people. Guys, we're entering Chinatown. Yeah. We're heading back to Jenna's place, and we're probably gonna pick up some dessert and spend the night there, and I'm gonna go home after. I'll see you later with my dessert. See ya. Wait, did you watch my new video? Wow.
Christmas here. I'm so excited.
So we're at Jenna's house now, and these are the two desserts we bought. This is the Jeremy croissant, no, cruffin. It's like a croissant muffin, and it's on a Dior plate. And this one is a strawberry cake. Oh, what is this? And tonight, we're gonna end the night here. I'm probably gonna chill and go home, so yeah. But you can talk. Let's try it. These are so small. They're like fruit forks. So cute. You can sit here. My friend is very shy. It's so good. I'm done. Alright guys, I'm gonna end my day today here, and she's like staring at me. It's so awkward. And anyways, yeah, thanks for watching my vlog. I'm gonna peace now, and everyone have a good night. Bye. See you again in my next vlog.